Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix or how to get your password back when you forgot your password. So what you need to know is you need to go to MQL5 because we are talking about a MetaTrader 5 real trading account. And then what you need to do is go here to login and select right here, forgot your login/password. Then right now fill in your email address right there. And then what they're going to do is they will send a code to your email, and then make sure that you fill that one in. Now, right now, what you need to do right here is FWV and then B, recover my password. And then right now they send right to your email address a recover mail to fix your password. So this is exactly how you can do this, and this is how it works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.